Welcome back, Evans fam. Today I'm going to be doing, showing you guys all my slimes. I have this next to me, just like all my slimes in here. It's just like a little inspiration of all slimes. So, Charlie. Oh, sorry, gosh. Okay, first slime I'm going to be showing you guys all today. Charlie. You're not going to be able to see, sweetheart. Okay, first one's this Squishmallow slime. You can buy this online. Guys, you can buy these, and I'm going to tell you guys, I'm going to be naming them while I'm showing you guys. It's going to be fun. Well, and actually, in the next video, I'm going to be naming them. Okay, let's take out the slime because I'm going to show you guys it. Yeah, let's get all the slime off first. Hola, que me dale, dale. So nice to meet you. Look, so it's this, really cute, and then this slime. Ooh. So it's very stretchy and nice. It is a cloud slime, and the name is, actually I already named it. I named it Owly Fluff, or no, it's not a fluff slime. Maybe ice cream owls, because it smells like the raspberry ice cream. Or like a slushy, owly slushy. I don't really like that though. Like owly ice cream. Confetti. Can you guys tell them apart? They look exactly the same. Stop, confetti. Confetti's hissing. Here it comes. Stop! Sorry. Very annoying. Okay, so now I'm done with that one. Stop. Keeps falling over. Okay, next slime is this one. It's called Marshmallow Fluff. It's a white slime and it's very, very nice. I like it so much. It's very
Albie, don't use the piano.
That's not Albie, Graham. It's Charlie. Oh, it's so sticky, guys. I don't want to play with this one. Ugh. I don't know. I think it's just from being in a bag and it's really old. It's being sticky. It used to be so nice. But okay, so okay, let's not play with that one, but let's play with Cloudy Skies. I love this one. It's so soft and stretchy. Okay. Yeah, so very soft and stretchy. But it has some like hard parts in it. But I feel like that makes it like very nice and like crunchy. Feels really nice. I really like it. So yeah.
Guys.
Can you go that way?
Why? Oh, too late.
Okay.
Shower.
Brand. Where are you? Okay. So I'm actually going to be naming them in this video, so because I don't want you guys to have to go back and watch the video. Oh, this sounds so sticky. But it's so metallic and pretty too. I'm not gonna play with this one. It's gonna be just like the other one. Oh, it's stuffing. Oh, it's too much. Ugh. Icky, 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 icky. Get off. Get that off. There we go. Now I can close it. There. Okay, next slime. We still have a bunch worth. Okay. And we're doing slimes that like I made in this video because this slime, I don't think I named it. I don't really know, but it's oh yeah, I did name it. It's kiwi. It's sparkly kiwi or kiwi rainforest. I don't really remember. But I like sparkly kiwi better. Bren, no. Are you okay? You okay? Actually, hi. Want to feel it? Feel it. Guys, she felt it. She's like put her finger in it. Next, we have this yellow slime. I think I named it like pineapple. Or, like, even though I'm allergic to pineapple. But yeah. Owie! I accidentally got it on my leg and it stuck to me. Just gonna put it there and I have this. She's like ripping off like even worse. Like I love this glossy slime. It's nice. Stretchy and glossy and I love it. So yeah. La 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 okay. This is so weird. Oh, I'm so sorry. Just kidding. I thought I forgot to name it that slime. It was pineapple, something, I don't even know yet. Look, Pringle slime. It smells, because I put Pringles in this slime, guys. So it smells so bad, smell. Next we have our rabbit. It smells so bad. Oh, dale, so nice to meet you. Okay. So this is very clicky and nice. Okay. Next, clear slime. Where did that piece go? Oh no. A giant block of slime fell. Ew. Why is this so dirty? It has like a bunch of hair in it. Guys, I'm gonna take out all this hair. This is so disgusting. Confetti. Confetti. Stop hissing at everyone. Confetti.
Bad confetti. Bad confetti. Knock it off. Good. Stop. Knock it off with Albie.
Confetti keeps meowing at everyone. Like, and then no one's answering it. Guys, yeah. That's exactly what happened. That's nice. Makeup.
Uh-oh.
Well, I don't really have a name for this. Maybe makeup drama. Yeah. Whatever. Let's just name that. So yeah. Oh, this slime I named it chocolate. It's like I named it chocolate hot cocoa ice cream. AC hot cocoa. Whatever it is, I have no idea. I don't really name like every single slime I have because like it's too much. So I have a bunch. Look, so it's basically this brown, so buttery, so nice, stretchy slime. And when you stretch it, it's white, it's brown, so it's not a clear slime, not. So, in fact, if you do this with a clear slime, it would be clear. And if you do it with with the white glue, like clear glue, white glue, then it will just be just slime, not clear. I can't see through this. So yeah, fact. Right, Vinny? Hey, Bins, you feel it? She doesn't want to feel it. And then I like to scoop this little ice cream cone to it like that. Like this. So aesthetic. And then I like to lay it like it's melted, see? And I got to like turn it a little bit to make it look more aesthetic. Good. Right, Bren? Right, Vinnies? Yeah. She has a little bit of a cough. Oh, and then I have this pink one. It's a clear pink one, because look, when I do this, it's clear. Oh, yeah. It's so pretty. Look at that color. It's just so bright. Nice. It looks different on the camera. It's like way darker in real life, and it's like a Barbie pink in real life. But like in that, it looks like really bright light. Yeah, it's way different. Maybe just start it forward. I have no idea what will make it look normal on the camera, but it's fine. This color's still really pretty in the camera too. Yeah. Okay, that's funny. Say that hola, Bryn thinks it's really funny. Next, I have this crazy slimy slime. It's cupcake slime. Oh yeah, I didn't make this. I'm just gonna show you it. It has so much bead fallout. Well, like, not bead, but like charm fallout. It has like charms in it. It smells very good, but it's not stitchy. This, I told you, store-bought slimes aren't good. Never buy store-bought slimes. They're really bad. Except the ones from, yeah. Wait, no, never mind. All of them bad. Except like ones like from like online, like the really good ones online. This used to be all the way up to here, but I accidentally spilled it in a backpack. So the backpack's all bad now. It's my mom's backpack. So. You saying love you to the camera? Yeah, she loves you guys. What, you want food? She's doing this in sign language. That means food. Bren. Well, this means more. So, do you want more? 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 What do you want? I have no idea what she wants, but I don't know. Oh, well, cute dolly. Ew. This is so good butter slime. I actually made it, so don't judge anything. So good. It smells really delicious. It smells like grapes. And really sweet grapes. Hola, darling. So nice to meet you. I think that you come and take it through, yeah. Come on, make yourself at home. This smells like blueberries, and it's so nice. It is a galaxy slime. Look at that. It looks like a galaxy. On the camera, it looks so like brown and like ugly. Look at that. It's like, it's navy blue. It's clear, and it has little gem sparkles on it. It's so cool. It's awesome. Okay, next slime. This is the last slime that I did not make. I'm just showing you 3 slimes that I did not make. So this one I love. Like I said in the last video, it's what I'm showing you guys. Slimesters, it's Panda. And then it says like glossy texture. Gilbert, that's the name. You can only get this. I love it because you can only get it at Rehoboth Beach. And it's only why was I saying it's only 2? I mean it's only $12. $12 for this so pretty slime. No, Bren. She's gonna close the thing on you guys. A tripod. Okay, I'll move. Tripod. There we go. That's better. Look how glossy. Put my legs, you guys can see how glossy it is. Look. It's not that, it doesn't make glossy slimes on my leg, but it does on the floor. I think I played with it too much that now, like, it's like not. because I always plan videos like a week ahead, so I knew that this week was this video. 20 minutes. Yeah. Woo. Guys, this melt is so good. Watch. Whoa, whoa, whoa. My hands were. I was looking at the camera, so my hands weren't like going. Stop. 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 Enjoy, Coco. Stop. Guys. Confetti. Stop. Confetti. 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 Stop. Whatever. Okay. Oh, my favorite slime I have and all. I made this. It's so good. Watch. It's called Lavender Cow. It has little jelly cubes. It's so fluffy and glossy. So look. Here.
What did you just say?
What?
So what?
Fluffy and glossy.
Oh, okay.
What did you think I said?
The F word.
Oh no.
Yeah.
I did not say that.
I know. I didn't think you would.
I let it go, so I was like, there's no way.
Well, I know. I was like, I would think she would.
Yeah, I wouldn't.
I know.
We know.
That's the one thing that I trust you on, Lou. Are you guys playing?
Say it's so fluffy and like glossy.
Yes, it is. Are you playing? Is she playing with you?
Yeah. I gave her a slime. She went like.
Did she poke her fingy in it? Poke your
Poke
fingy
fingy.
in it. She's like,
She only
no.
does it when it's in a container. So like the other slime I did,
You poke your fingy
she
in
thinks
it?
it's Cheerios.
No, poke your fingy in it. There you go. She had a fingy,
It's
right?
too big. The other one was like so tiny. The jelly cubes. Why is everyone coughing?
Hey, what are you
I'm
doing
not
right now?
sick. No one's sick.
How was the time not run out?
Sweetheart. Whoa.
Did you find the other switch? Young man,
Hola, Timothy.
how has the time not run out?
So next
You playing the same broken switch you've been playing all morning? It should be time up a long time ago.
I bet he knows it.
Do you know the code?
No.
I bet he does.
Which switch do you have? Did you switch switches?
No.
That's the same one? Alright, I'll figure it out, but you need to be done.
And the next one. This one, the last one. It's so good. I made it. It's so stretchy and glossy.
You said what's the timer going
Well, maybe because you haven't turned it off since I've set the timer.
Hola, Timothy. You feel it? Poke your fingy. Smells good. how I smell the slime. Yeah, Bryn, that's how I smell it now. Okay, I have way more slimes, like way more. But I'm gonna be done with this video today. Make sure you like, subscribe, click the bell. Bye, guys.